because I told this guy to call me. Hello?
Hello.
Yes.
First, before we start the argument,
Are you a Muslim, my friend?
mention Salat just for the sake of
Are you a Muslim?
literature and language.
Are you a Muslim, my friend?
You can say so, yeah.
All right, go ahead. What do you want to say?
Just for the sake of language, forgot Islam or whatever. You know, in Arabic, that one word could have up to 75 meanings, like honey, right? We know that.
I'm listening.
So one of the 3 meanings of Salat, I don't know why he got it wrong, but it's Rahmah, which is mercy. Second word is Dawah.
Rahmah is Salami Rahmah.
Also, it can mean, because you're making sila. It comes from the word sila, connection. So you're making a rahmah with God. Even Christians believe that. So just
even Christians believe in that. Oh, okay.
That's the language. We can't change the language. You know what I mean? But that doesn't matter. And you know, in Arabic, there's like, I don't know if you know Al-Arab. I'm not an expert, but you know what? I have, like, we studied this at university, so I have a bit of information about Arabic in general. So you know, you have the fa'il and the fa'il, and if the fa'il, which is the pronoun in English, you could have two pronouns, two pronouns with one verb, but the one verb in Arabic could have 2 meanings. So when we say Inna Allahu malaikatahu yusalluna ala nabi, which means God or Allah and the angels pray for the Prophet, or upon the Prophet to be more accurate. It's not on, it's upon the Prophet. We're saying that God gives mercy to the Prophet, and the malaika makes dawah. It means they make a prayer, like, how do I say, God bless you or whatever, you know. That's it. And when we, or humans in general, pray for the Prophet, they don't pray for him because he's God or whatever. We pray for him because we're asking for forgiveness, which is al-istighfar from God, because we believe that he came as a mercy for humans. That's what.
All right, my friend. I heard you. Now let us go step by step. Inna Allaha wa malaikatahu yusalluna ala nabi. Here in the sentence, based on your understanding, what yusalluna mean?
Yusalluna here has 2 meanings: dua, which is for the angels, and giving mercy, which is from God. And you know,
hold on.
Mercy from Allah, from Jesus.
How the one word, how you decide that the word yusallun, it's the same word, not repeated twice, and suddenly you give it 2 meaning in the same time?
Because that's Arabic. Because that's what you know, that one pronoun could have 2 meanings in the same verb. That's Arabic. We won't change the language.
No, my friend. No, my friend. The second you say yusallun, it have to be mean one thing, because both of them, they are doing the same. Malaika is doing the same, the angels and Allah is doing the same act. This is why, because if the Quran wanted to say that this is meant something and that means something, then should not say yusallun. It says inna Allaha yusalli wa malaikatahu yusallun. That will make more sense according to your understanding, because it's 2 action but 2 meaning. But here it's 1 action with 1 word. Both of them, they are doing the same action, Allah and the angels. So we have to give them a 1 action. You have to choose. Either you say pray on or pray for. Muhammad Hijab, he said pray for. Do you agree with him?
I would say it's pray upon, to be more accurate.
Okay, so you agree that Allah, he pray upon Muhammad?
Yes.
Okay, guys, did you hear it? Allah, he pray upon Muhammad. That's mean Allah, he pray to who?
Pray in Arabic, which means yusallun, and the word yusallun means giving mercy, and you know that's in Arabic.
Okay, hold on, let us go with you. If Allah is giving mercy, who need the angels? What the angels would do?
The angels were making dua.
To what? Dua? What dua? I mean, explain to us in English, please.
I don't know what's dua in English, to be honest. I don't know what's
asking Allah for mercy.
Possible, like making dua.
Okay, thank you, guys. Listen carefully. This gentleman, he said that Allah is going to send mercy on Muhammad.
Yeah.
All right.
I agree with that.
All right. Hold on. Let me change to English. Allah is sending mercy on Muhammad. On Muhammad. Okay.
That's Arabic.
And then the angel and the angels
make dua.
Ask for mercy. Is that correct? You agree with that?
They make dua. You can say, yeah, you can say that.
For Muhammad. That's wonderful. Look what happened now, my friend, by what you said. You are the one who said that, not me.
Yeah.
If Allah already gave mercy to Muhammad, who need the angels to ask for mercy?
What do you mean by that?
Well, if Allah gave mercy already to Muhammad, it's like saying to me, you know, Allah he make Muhammad won the lotto, and the angels asking Allah to make Muhammad to win the lotto, but Allah already gave him the lotto.
Let me ask you something. Do you go to the church every Sunday? Do you pray?
Don't change my question, my friend.
No. Just it's
No.
the same question. Do you pray?
No. Listen, Allah he gave already mercy on Muhammad.
True.
And you said that. So what is the benefit, and why the angels need to ask Allah to give Muhammad mercy?
Let me answer. I'm asking you, do you pray? If yes or no?
I pray, no problem.
Do you pray more than once per week, or at least more than once?
I pray every time I eat. I pray every time before I eat. After I finish, I say, but short prayer, I say, thank you, Lord, for the food you gave us. May the Lord bless us, and we are very thankful. So this is a short prayer. What does this have to do with our topic now?
Yeah, and why do you always ask him? Just ask him once per your life.
Because God did not say to me, hey, Christian Prince, you are blessed. That's it. If God blessed me, there's no need for somebody else to ask God to bless me. I'm blessed already. You see, it's not the same person praying. It is the angels. It's not Muhammad praying. It is the angels asking Allah to send mercy on Muhammad. It's not Muhammad praying every day to Allah, and that will make sense. It is he gave mercy already. He grant Muhammad mercy. And if God he grant me mercy, who need the angels? What the angels can do, what extra the angels can do? And you are the one who you said that here the angels are asking Allah to send mercy to Muhammad, but Allah he sent mercy already.
No, I agree with that. No, I completely agree with that.
Okay, so if Allah he sent mercy already, then what the angels will do? What the angels can do more than what Allah did already? If I am blessed by God,
I agree with that.
Okay,
no, I agree with you. I agree with you.
Okay, so this is false interpretation, my friend.
But no, I'm not an expert. I told you. I'm just giving my opinion about this. But it doesn't matter.
No problem.
And by the way, about Azar, isn't there like doesn't Azar mean fire in Iranian? And there are like a group of people.
I'm not expert with the Iranian, but obviously this is a false name.
I think it means fire, and there's like a group.
But this is not Iranian, my friend. Abraham is not Iranian. You know, he is.
I know. No. Like in Arabic, in Persian. Sorry.
I don't speak Persian. Sorry. Yeah.
Me neither. I just saw it.
But anyway, I'm glad that you agree with me that obviously even the word to say blessing and asking for blessing, this is just a fabrication. Some they try to cover the problem here, trying to find a solution. But if you go deep, you will find that doesn't make sense. If God grant me success, I succeed. That's it. You know, the Bible says that if God is with me, who could be against me? You know, that's it. The God is with me. So if God granted Muhammad mercy, as you say, then Muhammad do not need. Who am I to pray to God? What I will add more? That's it. The guy he is granted mercy by God. Who am I? You know what that will add?
No, I agree.
Okay.
Completely agree.
Anything else, my friend? You want to say?
Can you go to Surah Al-Ikhlas 1 second?
What do you want? What chapter?
No, I just want you to see, and if you think it's the criteria are good for a God or not. Do you agree with the criteria as a God?
What verse you want? Which one?
Al-Ikhlas, chapter 112.
Yeah. Okay, 112.
And I'm just asking now, like, as for Jesus, to be more clear.
All right.
You believe that Jesus was God, right?
Who believe?
You.
I don't believe he was. He is.
He is God.
Good. Yeah. Look like. Okay.
You know Surah Al-Ikhlas, right? You know it.
Yeah, what about it?
Do you agree that a God should have these criteria at least to be a God?
Well, this criteria is funny. Let me show you why.
He's not born. He's not. I don't think it's funny. It's just.
No, I will show you it's funny. I will show you it's funny. Hold on. You asked me. Let me explain to you, my friend. And you are welcome. You sound like a smart person. I like that. Chapter 112, verse number 1, 2, etc. If we go. And you speak Arabic, correct? So
yes.
We will not have difficulty. Okay. When in Arabic, when you say "Qul huwa Allahu ahad," in Arabic there's nothing is called ahad as one. Ahad is one of. Do you agree? Ahadul tullab, ahadul asatiza, ahadul malaika.
Exactly, with a dhamma, but ahad with a sukoon is ahad. Ahadul ahad.
My friend, I will show you that always ahad appear There's nothing called sukun. There's nothing called dhamma. No. But let me show you.
Yeah, but just let me say something. You know that the Arabic grammar came from the Quran. So if you say that the Quran grammar is
Thank
wrong,
you very much. The Arabic
grammar
grammar came from the Quran. So the Muslim, they try to make the grammar fit with the Quran. But the fact the Arabic exists before the Quran.
True, but like it was the highest.
Thank you very much.
Like,
so no, it's not for the highest. But because no. The Quran is full of mistakes, my friend, and now you are trying to make a grammar fit with the mistake book. If you want to make a grammar, make it a grammar fit with the Arabic exists before the Quran. Arab before Islam, they were amazing in Arabic. You know that there is something it's called al-mu'allaqat. You know what al-mu'allaqat, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Arab people, they used to hang poetry, and it contained thousands of poet, and they don't even repeat the same sentence twice. The Quran keep repeating the same sentence because the one who is making the Quran is very weak in Arabic. Read with me carefully here. Do you know what do you know what as-samad mean?
Yeah, that's stable.
What does samad mean? Stable?
As-samad, like I don't know, explain in English.
Okay, have you ever heard of the word masmuda? Or sammada, like the one who collect money?
Spur, yeah, spur money.
Okay. This is what samad is. This is coming from the Aramaic language. This is an Aramaic word. Sammada is you collecting things together, putting them together to make a whole thing. So a child, he's sammada the money. It means he's collecting the money until the money became bigger, became something he can do something with it. So look what it says here. Qul huwa Allahu ahad. This is something Muhammad trying to copy the Jews. The Jews, they have a very famous sentence. It says, "O Israel, say that Israel, your God is echad, echad." So this is coming from echad, but echad in the Hebrew mean God as unity. This is why the Bible says that man and women, they get married and they became echad, but they are two. You see, this is ahad. This is exactly Muhammad is copying the Jews, and then he said he made second mistake copying the Aramaic, saying Allahu Samad. He is the collective. He is a collective of things. He is not one. He is unity.
No. As-samad.
Let me continue. And then he says, and he said, "Lam yalid wa lam yulad." That is the most funny argument ever, because the Christian don't believe that the Father gave birth to Jesus.
But it's not talking about Christians. Just saying in general.
No. He's answering the Christians. He's answering the Christians. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. Hey Christians, anyone believe that the Father he gave birth to a person? His name is Jesus. Anyone believe in that of you? Who is a Christian here believe that God the Father he gave birth to the Son? His name is Jesus. We don't believe in that. So, and then he said walam yulad. So as we are, if we're Christian, we believe that God is born. We don't believe in that. We don't believe in that. So here you will notice Muhammad is trying to make a verse, trying to make a Quran, trying to copy the Jews, where he said, using the word echad, say that your Lord, O Israel, your Lord is echad, your Lord is one. But one here is not about one person, it's about a unity, because the same word is used many times in the Bible. It is about two joining marriage, still they are echad. Here Allah as-Samad, he is a collective. Let me ask you, you as a Muslim, you believe in something called Tawheed?
Yes.
Okay.
No, there is no Tawheed in Quran, I know, but we took
right.
the concept.
No, that's not a question. That's not a question. But Tawheed, when you say Tawheed, it's mean unification.
Yes.
Okay, how you can unify one? He's a one already. How you can unify him?
We don't say unify. We say just
No. The word Tawheed mean unifying. Correct.
It comes from al-wahid.
No, my friend. No. Tawheed. This is not about al-wahid. I'm talking about the word Tawheed itself. The second you say Tawheed, it's mean you are making a union.
You can say yeah.
Okay. So how you can make union if he is one already?
If it's one of its meaning.
In Arabic, and correct me please if I'm wrong. Do we see Tawheed al-Duwal al-Arabiyya?
Of course.
Okay, Tawheed al-Duwal al-Arabiyya, translate to me please.
The union Arabic.
Okay, countries. Unification of the Arab states, correct? Unification. Okay.
True.
Okay, thank you. So now Tawheed, it's not about oneness, it's about making a group united. So it cannot be about one. So again, it's a wrong phrase Muslim they use about their religion. And let me ask
one of the meanings.
Let me ask you, my friend. Do you see in the verse it says Qul huwa Allahu ahad?
True.
Okay, what is the benefit of huwa?
He is.
Okay, who is the one is talking?
It's saying say that God is one.
Okay.
Qul huwa Allahu ahad.
Okay, why I need to say huwa? Why can I say Allah is one? Why he's saying say?
I didn't write the Quran, so I don't know.
See, This is a mistake again. If you go in the Quran, if we copy the same word huwa all over the Quran, you will see Allah keeps saying it is He who created the earth and the heaven. It is He who created you. It is He. So who is the one who's talking? Another mistake. The author of the Quran, he keep forgetting to switch between the first person and the second person. هو الذي خلق لكم الماء في الأرض جميعا. It is He who created for you what is in ever in earth. Okay, well, who is talking? Allah. Okay, why Allah saying it is He if He is the one is talking? I should say it is I, not it is He. So everything in this religion, it does not make sense. And the Muslims, I feel sorry for them. They try to fabricate meaning to make it fit with the order. And let me ask you, you are a very smart person, and I like really I'm enjoying talking to you.
Thank you.
If you are a person who created the earth and the heaven, I'm not saying that because this will be kufr, right? But let us say, if you are a person who, let us say, build a house, and I ask you which room you finished first, shouldn't you remember?
Certainly.
Okay. I want you to read with me carefully, please. I don't know what's your name, what I will call you, my friend.
Whatever you want.
Whatever I want. Okay, that's a nice name. Mr. Whatever you want. All right. In the Quran, actually, let us start from this verse. Chapter 2, verse number 29. It is He who created for you whatever is on earth, and then He went to heaven. As long as you speak Arabic, that will make things easier for me. هو الذي خلق لكم ما في الأرض جميعا ثم استوى إلى السماء. Based in this verse, which one Allah finished first, which one Allah finished second?
It's not mentioned. It's just said He created the earth and then He went back to the heaven.
No, my friend, it says فسواهن سبع سماوات ثم.
Oh, right, yeah.
When you say thumma, what thumma mean? You know Arabic very well.
Then.
Thumma, it's mean after, right?
Yeah, then.
And actually in Arabic, if you go to thumma always present that there is a distance of time, not only like not just after that. It's after that. It took a while. Okay, so it is He who created everything for you in the earth, and then after that took a while, and then He went to the heaven, and the heaven He made seven sky. So it's confirmed here in this verse that Allah created everything in the earth first, correct?
True.
Okay, and then He made the earth, the seven heaven. Okay, if we go to the front verse on the Quran, you will find this is why I like it when somebody speak Arabic, because that will make it a lot easier for me from somebody ignorant in the language. If we go to chapter 79, verse number 30, you will see it says, and by the way, you can choose any translation you want.
Oh, I don't need translation.
Okay, for us, absolutely. You don't know. If you don't mind, open the Arabic from your side.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Okay. Then you will see here that I have to show in English because people don't speak Arabic, so we have to do it in English. Okay.
No, I understand.
Okay. It says here, "Are you ye harder to create, or the heaven that He built? He raised the height therefore and order it, and He made the dark night therefore, and He brought forth the morn," which mean the light, the stars. Correct? You agree?
Yeah.
Okay. And after that He spread the earth, and He produced the water therefore, and then He made fast hell, and then He provide the provision for you for the cattle. But remember the verse that we showed you, it says that Allah He finished everything in the earth, and then He went to the heaven and He made them seven, right?
Was it before or after?
No, it says in chapter 2 that Allah He finished everything in earth, and then He went to the sky and He made them seven skies. Okay, but here it says, and after that, what after that? After that, Allah He went to the earth. It's the opposite direction. Allah cannot remember which one He started first with, the earth or the heaven. Do you see it?
Yeah.
If we go to different verse in the Quran, we are not done. The disaster is continuing. Let us see together. The disaster continue. This God, He cannot stop talking. I mean, I wish He can stop talking so the Muslim can have a break. But what we can do? If you go to chapter 41, please open the Quran from your side. It says, I will show it in Arabic and English so you can take an idea. In chapter 41 it says, قل أين he's speaking about creation the earth. It says خلق الأرض في يومين وتجعلون له أندادا ذلك رب العالمين وجعل فيها رواسي من فوقها وبارك فيها وقدر فيها أقواتها في 4 أيام سواء للسائلين ثم استوى إلى السماء وهي دخان. So that he finished all the earth and the sky was what? Was a smoke.
Smoke.
Okay.
Actually, that's scientifically that's true.
My friend, this is not the question. The question is, I cannot even remember which one he finished first.
No. Let's be fair. Like, okay, I agree with you. Maybe there are mistakes. I don't know, but let's be fair. The universe was smoky in the beginning. Science confirmed that, and
my friend, no, the science don't confirm that. The science don't confirm that. That science you are talking about, the Big Bang, there's no smoke. It was nothing and nothing explode, which I believe is stupid, because how there was nothing and then nothing explode, that's will be funny. Same time,
believe in God, but like God was the causer of the nebula.
No. You see, the Quran never say that. We can go that if you want. We can let us finish this one, and we can go to that one to show you the Quran speak even
the Quran says in Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 30, I think.
My friend, sure. You see, I never spoke to a Muslim. He have understanding of his book. With my respect to you, if we go right now, but can you finish this one first, just to confirm it? Okay. So which one Allah here he finished first? He finished the earth in 2 days, and then he made the mountains. And then he put aqwatuha mean whatever food, substance, trees, fruit, okay? And then after that was, the sky was a smoke still, which means there's nothing. And then in verse number 12, it says he made them 7 skies in 2 days, and then وَزَيَّنَّا السَّمَاءَ الدُّنْيَا بِمَصَابِيحِ. Masabih is the stars, right?
The stars.
So the last thing here, according to Allah, created is the stars. Do you agree?
True.
Okay, but if you go to the other verse, it's the opposite. Read carefully, my friend. This is chapter 2, verse 29. It says the opposite. And if we go to the other chapter, let us go here. It says that Allah, let us see, he created he created the heaven and the earth. Verse number chapter 41, verse number 27. Are you harder to create, or is the heaven that he built? He raised height, therefore order it, and he made dark and night, therefore he brought forth morn, therefore, and after that he spread the earth. So Allah, he finished totally the heaven, and then he went to the earth to finish it. Correct? Is it clear?
Yeah.
But this is different from what he said in the other chapter. It is 100
what I understood from this, it's like you want to make a cup of tea, for example. You don't say just put water, tea, sugar, whatever. No, you tea first, hot water, you boil the water, then you put the tea, then you put the sugar, then you mix, and then you have the tea done. I think that's what was the author of the Quran doing. Whether it was God, Muhammad, I don't know. But let's be fair. Let's say the bad points and let's say the good points. From a good point, it's kind of legit, but was all over the place, but it was legit.
What legit? My friend, you see, he's talking about the order of creation. Otherwise, he will not say and after that. The second you say after that, you just told me what happened before, what happened after. It's not about making tea and coffee. We're talking about creation the earth. So how you say to me, after I did this, I did that, and in that verse you say the opposite.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so this is a contradiction. Now we go to the one you will say to me that the Quran speak about the creation of the earth in a scientific way. Let us read together, and you will laugh with me in 5 minutes.
Yeah, sure.
You will mention to me that the earth and the sky they used to be together, and Allah he فَفَتَقْنَاهُمَا, correct?
Correct.
Okay, chapter 21, verse number 30. My friend, you see, the problem is, since I was a kid, people they read with me the same sentence I read, but they don't see what I see. I don't know why. And you are today, you are doing the same. Chapter 21, verse number 30. Let us read together. And you can read in Arabic, in case you wish to read in Arabic. Don't the unbelievers see that the heaven and the earth were joined together, and we love them asunder? That's mean there was earth, there was heaven, and we separated them. But that's false. That's not the
Big Bang theory.
That's not the Big Bang. No, my friend. No. The Big Bang. There was no heaven. There was no earth.
No, didn't you understand? Let's talk from a scientific perspective. Okay?
My friend. Do the Big Bang believe there was earth?
Can I say it? Can I
Go
explain?
ahead. Go ahead.
In the Big Bang Theory, it says that it was a nebula. It was a particle. So the heaven and the earth were together. It was in a small entity. And then were separated, and then the heavens were created, and then the earth was created from the sun. It's like too long to explain, but they were in a nebula, in a small particle, from a scientific perspective. Forgot the Quran now. So the Quran is true in a way.
No, my friend, let me tell you, because here what he's talking about, Muhammad, he claimed that the earth and the heaven, they used to be attached together, and Allah, he left the sky above. And this is why he said he is the one who left the sky above without columns that you can see. So he claimed that he left up the sky used to be on the ground, but this is false, because until now we are not separated from the heaven. We are inside the space. We are just a piece of dust inside the space, correct?
True, we are stardust.
Okay, right. So how you can say we are separated when we are inside the thing? It's like saying to me, I separated you from the room, but I am in the middle of the room, a small dust in it. This is funny. Same time, what he's talking about here, in order to understand anything, you have to connect the dots together. The Quran speak about that. Have you ever heard chapter Qaf?
Qaf. Yeah, I heard it.
Okay, chapter Qaf. What Qaf is?
We don't know. It's the letter Qaf. That's what we know.
Okay, what is Qaf? What is the letter Qaf?
The letter Qaf in Arabic is Qaf.
But Qaf is not a letter, really.
No.
Qatar in the Quran, the letter Qaf in the Quran is a name of a mountain. If we go to chapter 50, verse number 1, chapter 50. Welcome to my school, my friend. In Jalalain, look what happened in Islamic religion. I mean, how funny it is. Qaf, God knows best what he means by this letter, but this is not really what it is. Qaf is a story. People before Aramaic and even Arab, they believe in a fiction story that there's a mountain. His name is Qaf, and he is surrounding the earth from every direction. Let us read together in different interpretation. Read carefully with me, please. This is Tafsir Ibn Abbas.
Yeah.
And from his narration and the authority of Ibn Abbas that he said, in the inspiration, Allah saying Qaf. Qaf, he says, it is an azure mountain overlooking this world, and the color of the sky takes from it. Allah swear by it. Okay, now here is science. How Allah he separate the earth from the heaven? He put this mountain as a wall around the earth. And even they are explaining that the sky is a blue because this mountain is a blue, and this is why we don't see this mountain, because it is blue. So like when you look in the horizon, you see a blue color. If you look up, the sky is a blue. If you look in the horizon, it's a blue too. But this is the mountain, and this is why we cannot see, because it's the same color of the sky. Chapter 50, verse number 1.
First time I hear about it. It's weird.
Well, this has happened always, but when I speak to people, they say to me, first time I heard about it. That's why you are talking to Christian Prince, my friend. That's why I said welcome to the school.
but let's be honest. Like, we should have bad points, we should have good points. There are some scientific evidence inside the Quran. It
my
could
friend,
have by chance
not even a single scientific evidence is the opposite. Let us do this, my friend. Okay, give me one.
You remember, like 2 minutes ago, you read that the earth was created in 2 days, and we know from the Quran that the universe was created in 6 days, right? If we come to science, when was the whole universe created? It was created around like 13.8 billion years ago. And when was the universe, the earth created? It was created around 4.5 years ago. 4.5 billion years ago. But about the universe, some people say 13 billion, some people say 14. So we'll take the average, which is 13.5 billion, right? So if we divide 13.5 by 4.5,
my friend, you can. Where do you get the billions from when we're talking about days? How you came to the billions?
No. I'll get to my point. So 13.5 divided by 4.5 billion, we got 3 billion. Okay. Sorry, we got not how much exactly? Sorry, 1 second. 13.5. So we get 3. Yeah, I was right. We get 3, right? And if we divide, so we know that the Earth is 3 times younger than the universe, right? From a science. And 6 divided by 2, because 3. So the Earth is 3 times younger than the universe, according to the Quran also.
My friend, I'm very sad to make you disappointed, because the Quran doesn't say the Earth is created in 2 days. The Quran says in 6 days. Let me read for you. Open chapter 41. Yes, no, the Earth, all of it is created in 6 days. 2 days to create the Earth alone, and 4 days to create the substance. Chapter 41, verse number 9 and verse number 10. Read with me carefully, my friend. Your calculation sadly went in the wind. Say, is it that you deny him who created the earth in 2 days? All right, let us continue. And then he says, then he set on earth mountains standing firm, high above it, and bestowed the blessing on the earth, and measure therein all things given and measurement due to preparation of 4 days. Do you see it? So now you have to switch upside all your calculation, because now that will make it 6 days total of work of Allah just to finish the earth. Correct?
True.
Okay, this is the contradiction. The Quran says in different place that Allah created the earth and the heaven in 6 days, and here he continues saying that he created the heaven in 2 days, which means it took 6 days to finish the earth, it took 2 days to finish the sky. And this will be funny, because we cannot compare between the size of the earth and the size of the galaxies and the space, correct?
True.
So why it took him 6 days to finish the earth, but it took him a lot longer, 3 times more? You know, I mean, it took him 3 times more to finish the earth from finishing the sky. That's why I say to you, I'm sad for your calculation. Doesn't work, my friend. Same time, if you go to the hadith, you see, always I like to bring Dr. Muhammad, because he's a scientist. You know what I can do, you know. Dr. Muhammad, peace upon him, he have a PhD in he was hired by National Geographic, you know, many times to teach them science and etc., how the earth is created. Look what he said. The exalted, the glorious, created the clay on Saturday. So according to Muhammad, the first thing God created, it was a clay. It was Saturday, not billions of years, sadly. I mean, sorry to say that to you. It was what? Saturday, my friend. Where is the... Yeah, this is Sahih, absolutely. He created the clay on Saturday, and he created the mountains on Sunday, and he created the trees on the mountains in Sunday, the trees in Monday, and he created things entirely in labor in Tuesday, and he created the light in Wednesday, and he caused the animals to spread in Thursday, and he created Adam, peace upon him, in a Friday afternoon, Asr. Do you see it?
Yeah.
The total is how many days?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
7 days. 7.
Yeah.
So look now what the numbers we have. We have verse in the Quran says the earth created in 6 days. We have verses in the Quran saying that Allah created everything in 6 days. We have Muhammad saying that everything in the earth alone, you know, if we count those things here, because he created the light in Wednesday, okay, so he worked only 1 day in heaven, based on this hadith, only 1 day, and he spent 6 days working in earth.
True.
It's a madness, my friend. Well, my friend, thank you for calling me. I'm really happy to hear you. You can call me anytime you wish, and I don't know what to say to you. You have no name. So nice to meet you. No name.
Noor.
All right, my friend. So Noor, you see, I don't know if you want to stay be a Muslim or not, but obviously I can tell you are convinced that Islam is false.
I'm convinced more in science, to be honest with you.
No problem, but
I would say I'm an agnostic.
Be honest with me.
I'm straight with you. I would say I'm agnostic. I'm not.
I know. No, I don't tell me you're agnostic. So you don't believe in Islam no more, don't you?
I don't believe in God in general, not in. I believe, but I'm not sure.
That's okay. No problem. I say, for me as a Christian, may the Lord guide you and bring you to the truth, and the truth will set you free. Thank you for calling me, my friend.
No problem, but just last question.
No, just
think there are
please. It's okay because when I'm really almost. I'm done. I have I gave you enough time. For how long we are talking, me and you? I wasn't like a quick call, right? I give you a lot of time. And if everybody call me says one more question, it's going to be endless, you know. So I have sadly, but you can call me always. I'm almost every day here, almost. All right.
Okay.
Feel free to call me. Welcome in the club. All right.
Okay.
Thank you, my brother, my friend. You know, ma salama.
Awesome.